Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all? And in today's video, we are going to do this look using these three liquid eyeshadows from Stay Quirky. And do I like them? Do I don't like them? What is the deal about them? How I did this look? Everything. This is the last tutorial for the 2022, and I'm not sure if मैं अब इस year में और कोई शूट करने वाली हूँ या नहीं. maybe I will not. maybe अब मैं next year में ही करूँगी. But definitely for this year, this is the last tutorial that is going up on my channel. So yeah. Okay, this is the new year glam. You know, the thing is कि मैं ना NY glam लिखती हूँ हमेशा जब भी मैं notes में लिखती हूँ. So I was about to say New York glam. Okay, so yeah, yes guys, let's do the final tutorial for 2022 and yep, let's go. So this is how the eyeshadows look. I think the packaging, let me tell you, is good. Like Swiss Beauty does it with the packaging. The packaging, as the name is, it's quirky, it's good and everything. And we have three shades over here. Number one, it is Blue Gestic Ceylon. Then we have number two, Purple Sapphire. And then we have number three, Emerald. So let me show you the size of this, okay? This is how big this is. And the cost of this was actually 350 rupees. So 350 rupees ke hisab se, if you look at the size for 350, it is small, okay? It is small. So this one from NY Bay, I have this one as well, and this one was for 300 rupees. Like ये इनका MRP है, and look at the size difference, okay? So this one NY Bay वाला जो ये था, it was 2.2 ml, and this one is 2.6 ml. How is this 2.2 ml and this is 2.6 ml? When इसके अंदर का कंटेनर इसके कंटेनर से छोटा है, तो ये 2.6 और ये 2.2 कैसे हो सकता है? This one is Ceylon Blue Gestic. Okay. Next one is Purple Sapphire. Now let me tell you this one thing. Bottle के अंदर ना, this is Sapphire. Okay. Bottle के अंदर ना, आप जब इन तीनों को देखोगे, you would feel like, oh, maybe these are dual chromes. Like naked eye से ये definitely dual chrome लगते हैं. Like this looks like purple with shift of blue to it. This looks like a blue with a shift of purple to it. मतलब bottle से ऐसे लगते हैं. And this looks like emerald with shift of like brown to it. But I will show you the swatches कि ये real life में ऐसे बिल्कुल नहीं लगते. These are definitely single chrome. There is no multi or duo chrome. Simple color है. Purple है, green है, and blue है. That's it. So this is how it is. Let me insert the swatch videos and then we will do the tutorial. So these are how the swatches look, and as you can see, they are not 100% opaque. Definitely there is a little bit of streakiness in each of these, right? And they are single chrome. There is no multi-chrome effect to them. They have single color, single shift. Green is green, blue is blue, and purple is purple. After a while, when they dried down, I tried smudging them. So yeah, they do smudge a little bit, but other than that, they are pretty flawless. So today we are actually going to do a Taylor Swift tutorial. So basically जब मैंने ये तीनों लिए थे ना, उस टाइम पर मैंने सोचा था कि इनके साथ like एक एमरल्ड लुक करूंगी, एक ब्लू वाला करूंगी, एक पर्पल वाला करूंगी. But then थोड़े टाइम के बाद टेलर स्विफ्ट की एल्बम रिलीज हुई and there was this video, Bedazzled है ना? Or is it Bejeweled? It was Bejeweled. It was Bejeweled and these are jewel tones, okay? So मुझे फिर ऐसा लगा, and उस look के अंदर she had dark blue, she had light blue, she had emerald, she had purple. So ये चारों कलर थे उसके अंदर. तो फिर मैंने सोचा कि rather than अब हम अलग-अलग करें, let's do the Taylor Swift thing for New Year glam, right? And I got my sweater out, जो थोड़ा सा matching है, right? And yeah, shall we start? As far as eyeshadow is concerned, you can take any eyeshadow palette जिसके अंदर blue, purples or greens ho, right? If you don't have these liquid eyeshadows, you can just go in with simple shimmer shades. You just need emerald shade, you just need a blue sparkle, you just need a purple sparkle, right? So इस तरह का कोई भी palette अगर आपके पास color में है तो वो चलेगा. That's it. You don't need बहुत सारा सामान. Okay, and then you need is a kohl pencil, and so this one is from Flora Paris. So what we are going to do is we are going to map out a cat eye, right? Now I'm going to take this very dark color from NY Bay and I'm just going to put it in the very outers, right? और जहाँ पर मुझे लगेगा कि मुझे बहुत precise काम करना है, वहाँ पे मैं brush use कर लूँगी. So this is going on the very outers. think I'll go in with the dark eyeshadow as well, because this is giving me a little patchy. By the time, let's go in with the lighter blue, jo beech mein jayega, like literally middle of the eye. So, iska applicator is so much different than NY wala. Oh, that was a lot. That was a lot. And now we're going to go in with the emerald one. Yeah, I'm just going to take this very dark blue color, put it in the outer V. Let's do one more coat. And I'm just going to take a brush और अब मैं इन दोनों को थोड़ा सा blend करने की कोशिश करती हूँ. Ooh, it did well. I think it is done. Yeah, one fine thing I want to do is I want to take the darker blue and मुझे इस wing को थोड़ा सा better करना है. Now let's go in with the final color, which is this purple on the lower lash line, and this is where I want to be very careful. मैं नहीं चाहती कि वो मेरी आँख में अंदर चला जाए, right? Okay, we will not freak out. We will let this dry. और जब ये dry हो जाएगा, उसके बाद I'm going to smudge it. And trust me, it will be fine, okay? By the time, let's complete this look, okay? Ooh, very stressed. Now, I am also going to take a little bit of a periwinkle-ish shade, right? Ye wala. And because, and also a little bit of this. You know, it is a little bit lighter than this. So, मैं ये दोनों shade लेना चाहती हूँ. And I will put it in the inner corner. Did it? Let me apply the purple thoda sa aur to darken it up. And honestly, even in the video, I definitely saw कि blue or जो green color था, emerald, that were more prominent than the purple itself. Purple उतना ज़्यादा, you know, निकल के नहीं आ रहा था. Okay, this is good. Yep. Now, one final thing that I want to do is, I don't know how to do it, but I need something in the inner corner. Now she has sparkles, glitters in her inner corner, but मैं inner corner में glitter लगाने से बहुत डरती हूँ. So I'm actually going to go in with a shimmer shade. Let me get a shimmer shade and then we will finish this look. Okay, so I have this palette from Beauty Bay. This one is the Jade palette and it has beautiful shimmer. So I'm going to take this bronze and this gold, both of them combined together, and I'm going to apply it in the inner corner. These two actually look really good. It definitely will not do the thing वो shimmer वाला जो होता है ना, but it will do जो जिस चीज़ की ज़रूरत है. Let me finish the other eye and then we'll see. Before that, let me just scrape this out. See, as good as new. Let me finish this eye and then I'll be back, okay? Okay, so yes guys, this is the final look and my final verdict about 3 of these. I mean, what should I really say? I'm a little confused. Like, I like it. Listen, they are good. I like it. For one and done type of formula for people who love this, you know, one and done thing. I think these are good. These are not bad. But do I think these are the best? Like 350 rupees में क्या आपको इससे better नहीं मिल सकते? I don't think so. Swiss Beauty के, Mars के, बहुत सारी companies के हैं. If I'm not wrong, Swiss Beauty के literally सिर्फ 200 rupees में आते हैं. But the only thing is that I think उनमें इस तरह के colors नहीं है. So these jewel tone colors I think सिर्फ अभी फिलहाल Stay Quirky और NY Bay के पास ही है. Like ये वाले भी बहुत अच्छे थे. So yeah, I mean, it just comes down to if you are somebody who can make good use of these 3, right? जो यूज करते रहते हैं, जिन्हें मेकअप आर्टिस्ट हैं जो ये जिनको बहुत यूज करने पड़ जाते हैं, for them I think this is good. This is not bad. Like, it's not bad, okay? It's good. I am really happy with how this look has turned. Would I say that, oh my god, you need to buy it right now, these are so good? I don't think so. You won't die without them. That is what I really feel. So I would say, if you feel you need them, if you think you can make good use of them, you can definitely buy them. If you are a little confused, ki should I or should I not, I would say just don't. Okay? You don't need them. It's not a big deal. I think you can just make work with, you know, colorful eyeshadow palettes. They have these colors and that would be enough. You don't need things, okay? So yeah, yes guys, definitely this is it for today's video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Yep, bye-bye.